In this video we will make this face-based niche that can be used as a ceiling or wall design. Create a new family face-based. At the reference level, place reference planes 1 on the either side of the central plane. Place an aligned dimension between the 3 planes as shown. Press equal to make the distance between the planes equal. Place an aligned dimension between the 2 new planes and create a new parameter. In the same way, create a parameter for the other side. This can be same or different from the first width parameter. Here it is taken as the same width as the first side for the sake of simplicity. Select reference line and place a rectangle as shown at the intersection of the planes. Also lock them to their respective reference planes. Select the Fillet Arc tool and fillet the sides of the rectangle and also lock the small locks each time on the sides. Hold the radius dimension and make it a permanent dimension and create a new radius parameter. Assign the same radius parameter to all the radii. The radius will not work if it is more than half the value of the width. So it is better to create an equation between the two. In the same manner, create one more rectangle and fillet its arc. Follow the same procedure and assign a new radius parameter. Create a blend with 2 rectangles. Each time lock the arcs and sides. Create one more blend in the same way. Go to the front view and place 3 reference planes. Create length parameters for the distance between the ref level and the plane. Align the smaller side of the blend to the second plane from below and lock. Align the longer face of the blend to the next reference plane and lock. Align the smaller face of the bigger blend to the third plane from below and lock, and align the bigger face of the big blend to the ref level and lock. Hold both the blend forms and make them into voids. Check inside the box cut with voids when loaded. This file is going to be loaded into another file, which is a project file. Create a new project file. Place a wall at the ref level and hold the wall, and from the Edit Types menu select the duplicate file. Edit the wall structure and change the thickness of the wall to 600 mm. Hold the wall and change the top constant to level 2. Change the height to whatever height is needed. Load the first file into the project file, and place the component at the surface of the wall. To cut geometry, pick the wall first and then the component. Apply material to the wall as required. Hold the component and from the edit types create a parameter for the wall thickness. In the Global Types drop-down, write the thickness of wall equal to 600 mm. Go back to the first file and write niche 1 and niche 2 in terms of wall thickness such that they are always less than wall thickness. Load back file and rewrite. Change the sizes as required. Please like, share and subscribe.